Hello everyone. In this video we people are going to discuss about the formatted IO operation function. Now as I consider the formatted IO operation, we people having two types of statement. First one is printf statement, another one is scanf statement. Now as I consider the printf statement, this function can operate on any built-in data type. It is built-in data type means it is work with integer, it is work with character, it is work with float, it is also work with a string. In order to display the output in a form of formatted way or user defined format, then we people are using printf function. In general, we can say that with the help of printf we can display the message on the screen, or we can even display the result of computation, because we know that our computer having responsibility to perform arithmetic and logical operation. Sometimes these operations are generate a result or may not generate a result. Then this generated result we can display with the help of printf function. Now as I consider, it is necessary to define printf function in specific manner. Now as I can consider here one example, it is that is here I consider printf, there is a double quotation mark, then my number is %d double quotation mark complete comma, and here this data available inside the double quotation mark can be say as a message. It can say as a message. Now while without double quotation mark and after comma, it can be say as a value. Then what will be happen? As I consider printf is a function having a responsibility to generate some data on your screen. Then printf consists of message as well as value. Then value and message are separated by comma. If we want to call our value inside the message, then we can use format specifier. There are few format specifier are available, because we already discussed your printf function is deal with some predefined data type, that is integer, character, float and string. Then %d or %i is used for integer, %c is used for character, %f is used for float, and %s is used for string. If I consider one variable, that is a, and a is declared with the help of integer. Now I want to print the value of a in printf statement, then I can use %d or %i. Generally we people are using %d. While as I consider b is declared as a character type, then we want to call the value of b inside the message, that is printf statement message, then we can use %c. Here is %c, then %f and %s. Now when I consider the syntax, here printf, then message, then argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, then information string contain the format specifier. This is information string. Now it contains format specifier that define how the subsequent argument are going to display, how you can display this particular argument. Now format specifier began with percentage. Here each and every format specifier are start with percentage and followed by the format specifier code. D for integer, C for character, F for float and S for string. A number of format specifier and number of arguments should be exactly same. Why? Here I use single time %d, then here my single value. Here I write %d, then here I require two value, that is two argument. argument are matched in order to left and right with format specifier. It can always the associated rule, that is left to right, means first percentage for first value, second percentage for second value. Now there are n number of format specifier are available. We can use for performing the different calculation. Now here I consider one example for performing the various operation. Now I write here one code. I am using the developer C++. And actually developer C++ is open source compiler, or we can say that it's a one type of IDE which can use to perform operation for C as well as C++. Now I consider here one header file, that is stdio.h. Now here I write integer main. Why I write integer main? Because in my operation there is some arithmetic as well as logical operation is going to perform, so here I write as a integer. Now main is a function where my actual operation is going to perform or start. Now here I write one variable, that is a, another variable as a b, third variable as a c. Now I can pass some value to the a, that is value of a equal to 10, comma value of b equal to 20, then c equal to value of a plus value of b, then semicolon. If I want to print the value of c, what I have to do? I write the value of c is, then I write single time format specifier. So I want only single argument value, that is c. Okay, and just I check my program is correct or not. Firstly I save my program, okay, then compile and run. It requires some few minutes. Here the value of c equal to 30, while here I write 2 times %d, but I cannot follow the rule, that is format number of format specifier equal to number of argument. Then here is value 2, that is %, but here I write only single as a c. Then what will happen? We are just going to check it. Then here value of c is going to consider, that is first value, that is addition of two number, while here value for %d is not going to found, so it can generate or consider any random value. Okay, now as I consider again 1%d, what will be happen? We just check, it is here I write %d, again compile and run. It can again take any randomized value, but if I write here a comma b comma c, then 3 format specifier as well as 3 value, then value of variable is, then here I save this, here I write, then what will happen? 10, 20 and 30. Okay, in this way you can use the printf statement. Now we people are moving to a D, another formatted input IO operation function, that is scanf. Generally the scanf is used to read all built-in data type and automatically converted number into proper internal format. We already discussed in first or second video, your computer cannot understand anything, so it is compulsory to convert one form of data into the another form. So scanf is a function which can take the data from keyboard and convert it into one particular form, that format is understandable by your compiler or your computer. Now general use of scanf statement is to take the data from computer and simply perform or simply forward it toward the one particular operation. As I consider the scanf function, scanf is equivalent to printf, but here we can use one ampersand, that is here I write ampersand, here is also ampersand. Instead of printf, here I write scanf and here is ampersand. Then ampersand symbol can use to take or store the data into the variable, which can be generated with the help of your keyboard. Now when I consider here format specifier, the format specifier are equivalent which we people are using in printf statement. It is %d for integer, %c for character, %s for string, while %f for float. Okay, now we people are going to discuss one example with the help of scanner. We simply modify this particular program. Now here I write one single line command. So single line command is generated with the help of double slash. After double slash, your all data should be work like as a command. Now I write here one statement, that is printf. I write enter any two value, means enter any two value, means what you want. Then I consider the scanf, then %d for first value, %d for second value. Why I write here as a %d? Because here my variable, that is a, b, c are declared with the help of integer. We already discussed %d for integer. So here I write %d for first value, this %d for second value. Now your predefined message is separated by comma. Message is always right inside the double quotation mark, while here it is not compulsory to use the space. If space is there, there is no problem, but not compulsory to use the space. There is no problem if you if you can provide one space in between two format specifier, there is no problem, but ignore this. Then ampersand of here I write ampersand of a, comma ampersand of b. Then this %d represent the value of a, this %d represent the value of b. Then each and every statement are terminated by semicolon. We save this program and compile it. Then what will happen? Your computer asks to you enter any two values. I enter 12 and 34. What will happen? Your computer perform one operation, that is arithmetic operation, and gives answer. The value of variable is, first value is 12, another value is 34. Perform addition between 12 and 34, generate result as a 46. In this way you can use a scanf statement, and previously we can use printf statement. Always remember, printf statement generally used for generating an output, while scanf statement is used to take the data from keyboard and convert it into one specific form. The difference between scanf and printf statement is that in scanf we can use ampersand before writing a variable inside this statement, that is ampersand of a and ampersand of b. Then here we are using format specifier. So format specifier is %d for integer, %c for character, %f for float, and %s for string. In this way we can take the printf statement and we can use scanf statement for taking the data from user. Then in future we will discuss various programs. In that program we will use printf and scanf statement as per our requirement. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.